I love this time of year, you guys. There are leaves on the ground and the season's changing. Hola, perdón. Estoy grabando un video sacando fotos de gente desconocida cuando me gusta su look. Vale. Si quieres una foto, un retrato, es para mi canal de YouTube. Vale, sí. Me gusta mucho tu look, súper guay.
Espera, en realidad el parte son las gafas.
Yes. Me encanta. Yes.
¿Qué tengo que hacer?
Pues solo ponte como modelo.
Uy,
creo que ya sabes. Y mira, la luz es súper guay aquí. Oh, wow, just stay there. Mira. ¿Yo mira allá? Sí. Yes, perfect. Así. Yes, y probamos una masa aquí. Oh, perdón. Yes, perfecto. Oh, that's so nice. Me gustó mucho. Sí, aguanta ahí. Porque solo es súper bueno. Y ponte así.
¿Cómo así?
Sí. Y la cabeza un poquito más. Yeah.
Pero tú me tienes que decir qué tengo que hacer porque yo no soy muy buena de...
You look really good. Ves súper bien. Mira. Ah, mira este chico atrás.
Esta me gusta.
Sí.
¿No?
Tu look es muy fall.
¿Qué es fall?
Fall, autumn. La estación. Fall. Sí.
Es verdad, pero la verdad hoy tenía un poco de calor, porque
sí.
con el sol y todo es un poco de calor.
Ajá. Yes, perfect. And. Ajá. And. Okay, yeah. Yes, perfect.
Oh yeah, that was running.
Traffic is coming. Gotta go. Sí, y te digo cuando tengo el video en YouTube.
¿Seguro? ¿Cuánto tiempo piensas que va a hacer?
No sé, creo que en los próximos días.
Yeah,
sí.
Tranquilo, solo pregunto por los
like,
meses,
¿me dices
semanas.
dónde?
What time?
I need to know now.
Yeah.
So like probably in a few days. Yeah, it's gonna be super nice.
Nice to meet you. Sorry, what's your name?
Brad.
Brad. No,
Yours?
Who's Brad? Sophie?
Sophie.
Oh, Sophia.
Sophia.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Nice to meet you.
All right, nice to meet you too. So nos vemos en línea.
I hope you find some more people.
I will.
English.
Yeah. I'm recording a video for my YouTube channel, taking pictures of strangers. If you guys want a picture together.
Just a photo?
Yeah, for my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
See?
We now made. He made me some take photos in a Tiffany car.
And where?
Tiffany.
Ah, cool.
Here.
Are you a photographer?
No. He does not.
Да. Okay, guys, в камеру. Хорошо, не в камеру. Да, не в камеру. Hola, guys, perdón. Estoy grabando un video, sacando fotos de gente. No vendo nada. Tengo un canal de YouTube y estoy sacando fotos de gente desconocida cuando me gusta su look. Si os queráis un retrato.
Un buen look.
Yeah. Boom. Nueva Zelanda. Sí, ¿y vosotros?
Bueno, ella es italiana y yo soy de España.
Ok, ¿juntos? Sí.
¿Quieres una foto?
Sí, un retrato, ¿vale? Yeah. Aguanta ahí. Ok, ¿miráis? Yes. Y una más, guys, ponte aquí a la pared. Quedar aquí.
Okay.
Y tú enfrente.
Vale.
Sí.
Va.
Yes, perfecto. Una más. Guys, juntos así. Sí. Damn, so nice. Mira. En la cámara no, juntos. Sí. Oh, perdón.
gusta la luz que tiene.
Aquí la luz.
Es muy bonito.
Súper bien. Ok, guys.
Muy bien.
Bonito, sí,
Mira.
vamos a...
Sí.
Hey, un placer
Vale, guys.
conocerte.
Sí, adiós. Ciao, ciao.
He wants to
Sit.
take a video of us because he likes our style.
Ah, you guys speak English?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. Yeah, feeling it?
Yeah, why not?
Doing what?
Portraits. Yeah, I like for my YouTube channel, I take portraits of strangers.
Okay, that's fine.
So let's, if you guys want to come over here, yeah? Are you guys here on holiday or you live here?
I'm living here. We are both living here. She's here on holiday.
Okay, cool. But are you guys a couple? Ah, okay. I was gonna say after I can. Perfect. Can I get you to stand on the side? Yep. Nice. And can I get you? Yes, maybe smiling and like looking in this direction. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, this one if you stand here on the corner, and I'll try and get the sun too. So if you face your head this way. Stay like that.
I have to look at you or?
Looking in the camera. Yeah. Awesome, man. Wait. So they can't make you laugh. Stand this way. Yeah. Okay, awesome. Yeah. Can I actually get as well, like one hand in the pocket, and maybe just leave like just your thumb out, yeah? Just the thumb, like just standing back a little bit too. Awesome.
I
These look dope because of the sun.
Okay, I hope they are useful to you.
100%. You guys, ¿os queréis una foto juntos? Estoy grabando un video sacando fotos a gente desconocida. Para mi canal de YouTube.
Vale.
Si os queréis.
Vale.
Te escucho que me da vergüenza, pero no pasa nada. Pero esta es una pareja.
Sí.
¿Sí? Perfecto. Entonces, aquí modelos, ¿vale?
Vale.
Ok. So, ahí y me mires. Sí.
Hay que mirarlo.
Okay, one sec, guys. Holding hands, así, con las manos. Sí. Sí. Y mirando juntos así. Sí. Yes, guys. Y me mires una vez, una más. Yeah. Yeah, súper bonito. Así.
Vale.
Mira.
Gracias.
Ay, están guapas, ¿eh?
Sí. Hola guys, perdón. Estoy grabando un vídeo sacando fotos de gente desconocida cuando me gusta su look. Entonces, si os queréis un retrato, es para mi canal de YouTube.
Yo no hablo español, pero you can...
You want to speak in English? English? You speak in English? Okay, perfect. Yeah, because I'm doing a video for my YouTube channel, taking pictures of strangers. If you guys want one together, like a portrait, yeah, under the lights. Okay, vamos.
And then
This is gonna be the first first portrait I've taken like Christmas style, you know. So yeah, we'll go stand over there like a little bit closer.
where you from?
From New Zealand.
Oh, that's amazing.
And you guys?
I'm from Germany. He's from here.
Cool. And so obviously you live here, yeah?
I live here now, yeah.
Awesome.
Increíble.
Está increíble.
And you're from New Zealand, but why is your Spanish so good? Are you half Spanish or what?
No, but I've been living here for
Oh,
3
dear.
years.
Oh, wow.
And if you stand just over here, yeah. Okay, perfect. Okay, looking like straight over this way, like just above the camera. Yeah, but both looking in the same place.
But like, maybe
Yeah, pick a point and like, yeah. Oh, even, can you point? Like, can you just point like that and you guys look? Yeah. Okay, perfect. Now not pointing. Damn, I love these lights. Yeah, stay there. Actually, that looks good. Can you look at her again? Can you look at her? Yeah. I hope you guys are a couple, otherwise you are now. Like, I'm like, just, yeah, kissing. Go to, yeah. Is this still first date?
kind of.
Oh. That's what I do, guys. Soy casamentero. Yes, stay like that. That's awesome. Yes, just like that. That's perfect. Yes, chico, ponte un poquito serio. Yes. Okay, I love these. Mira. These are dark. Yes, man, so you can stand back a little bit, like one hand in the pocket. And un poquito más atrás. Yes. Perfecto. Yeah.
And this hand do what?
Nothing, just chill, yeah. Man, the portraits look so good, mirando por allá. Sí, un poquito a mí. And I think maybe with the scarf, like, even if it's a little bit out, yeah, a little open. Oh, your dress is really cool as well, yeah.
It's backless though. It's really cool. But
That's so
I
nice.
think that's too cool.
Just stay like that. Perfect, looking at me. Serious? Oh, the light right now is perfect. Stay like that. Okay, one more.
That's cool. I love them. You definitely have. Ooh, wow. This angle.
Loving it.
I love it.
Look like an honest copy paste. Swarmer